Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to remove a flywheel on a Rhino 660. First, you remove 17mm bolt. And then second, you remove the spline collar that goes on the crankshaft. Then next, you remove your hose, your antifreeze hose off your head. Then next, you remove your stator wires. And then you remove your antifreeze hose here and one back here on the cylinder. Right here. And then you remove all these 8mm bolts here. And you just kind of wiggle it from both ways. Kind of pull it on both sides, and you've got to get it past the magnet to be able to pull it out. Like so. And then just work it around the magneto to get it completely out. Alright guys, this is what you end up with after you remove the stator cover off the side of the motor. These are the two parts you will need whenever reassembling. You'll need a flywheel key. There's the part number. And you'll also need the stator side cover gasket, and there's also that part number. Alright guys, next step, you want to use your flywheel puller to get the flywheel off. Alright guys, after you use the puller, you thread the puller off of the flywheel. And once you do that, carefully remove the flywheel off the crankshaft. And once that's removed, the flywheel key is probably, there it is right there. And sometimes it might be attached to the magneto itself. And while you got this up, you might want to check your starter one-way bearing in here, make sure that's good, and then check the wear on your idler gear, which is the bigger one right behind the flywheel key.